Hey everyone, Dean Seifert here with BirdReel. We're going to go through a quick tutorial video today on how to use the live stream features within the BirdLover mobile companion app. Once you sign on to the application, you'll see the main home screen here with the weather at the top and all of the devices at the bottom. Here you see I have several devices that I own, and then there are also devices that have been shared with me. So to access the live stream of any device, just scroll down to the device you want to look at. In this case, I'm going to go to this one called Tansy Hummingbird. Click on the graphic and it pulls up the live stream. So at this point I can see there's a starling on the feeder, and let's say that I want to take a picture of that. I just access the snapshot button right here, and that will put that photo into my gallery. I can also take a video from here, and I'll know that I'm recording because it starts a little timer at the top and this icon turns to a red block or a stop button, and then I can stop that video at any time. I can access these snapshots and videos either by clicking on Enter the Gallery, or I can always access them down here under the Gallery button. So once I go in here, I'll see a list of all the videos and snapshots that I've taken on my BirdReel over time, sorted by time and by date, and I can access these simply by clicking on them. So if I want to access this, let's see, maybe this scrub jay right here, I can click on it. And from here I can do AI identification on it to identify that, which will take me to another screen and show me what bird it believes that it is. I can also trash this and remove it from my SD card, or I can share this picture with friends and family. That will pull up the Come Share window on your phone to post it to Facebook, send a text message, send an email message, and so on. I can do the same thing with videos. If I were to go to a video that I might have, like the starling that we just recorded, I can play this back and see what video I've got. And I can also from here hit the trash can icon to dump this off my SD card, and I can share this video as well. One other really quick tip is when you're back here on the albums screen, or gallery it's also called, if I want to delete things in mass, I can hit the select button, I can hit select all, or I can select particular pictures and videos, and I can trash those and take them off my SD card. That's just a convenient way of making sure you don't have a lot of clutter on your SD card. One other quick feature just to note is when you do AI identification, now I've got a magpie on my video, when you do AI identification, there is a little heart icon that pops up in the upper right hand corner when it identifies the bird. If you click on that heart icon, it will put it in your collection. And your collection is just a listing of different species that you've seen on your devices with a picture basically of that particular bird. And you can see the little heart icon up there. You can always remove these. You can obviously move these or select them and delete them as well. I like to keep those on there as a reminder of what birds I've had at my feeder. So there it is, a quick tutorial on how to use the live stream. Check out some of our other tutorials on different features inside the BirdLover app. Everyone have a great day and happy bird reeling.